Okay, so today we're going to be making Vulcan 300, which is a toy robot from the popular manga Konjiki No Gash, or in America it's called Zatch Bell. It's a super old manga, came out in 2001. And the only reason I'm making this video because I've just only discovered that in last year 2002, Konjiki No Gash Part 2 was released. So I'm quite excited. So that's why I want to make this video to celebrate that discovery. Yay! Okay, what is Vulcan 300? Well, if you Google Vulcan 300, this is what you get. So it's basically a toy robot made from cardboard. So here's the plan. It's going to look like that. It's going to have a front lip. So I'm going to cut along about maybe 45 degrees and then down and then along the front. So on the side it'll look like that. These holes are where I'm going to make his arms to come up, and so bottom, that's where his legs going to show. So on the side, when you close his mouth, it's going to look like that. On the front, it's going to be cut along there. That's how it's going to look like from the from an angle. So cut down, and then cut straight across. You will need a knife, Sharpie, pen, ruler, rubber bands, 4 rubber bands, super sharp hobby knife, chopsticks from when you do your takeaway noodles, paper for practicing, and you need a snack box. For this video, I'll be using Pocky because I love Pocky, but in the manga, Kiyomaru actually uses Pretz, potato sticks. Alright, so there's 2 ways to take out the biscuits. You can either just proceed with your project, cutting it out, and then take out the biscuit. Or if you want to eat first, I suggest to carefully slide the knife underneath the flaps, cut along, open the flap, take out the biscuits, and then carefully glue it back, which I've done here. This box is actually empty. So that's your options. Probably better do it this way, so if you don't have glue or you don't want to glue it, then you don't have to do this part. You can actually cut it any way you want, but I'm going to cut it along here. This way I'm going to make my cut. So its head will be here, body will be down here. And for this particular box, I'm going to cut under the word crunchy. So I'm going to draw a line. Probably just make a mark. So no. Oops. Make a mark there. If I got a protractor, I will measure 45 degrees, but just gonna, that looks good enough. Okay. Text here. But remember, I'm going to give it a front lip, so I'm going to start from here actually. So I'm going to start from the top of the Y, go here. So I'm going to make a line, a mark there. Now, it's too short. Let's make it higher. Okay, that's good enough. So cut here up and go across to make sure that my lines are straight. I'm going to use my ruler. This is the top part of his lip. So bottom lip, top lip. So I'm going to connect this dot to that dot. And this is where I'm going to make my cut. So let's review. It's already taken me 2 minutes to do this, and I seriously doubt that Kiyomaru, the main character, can actually make this in 5 minutes, as he claimed. Anyway, so I'm gonna get my super sharp hobby knife. I'm gonna cut here, cut down, cut. I'm trying to go around the Y. Cut. Go up and cut there. Okay, I'll be right back. So I have cut it. It's not a good job, but yep. So now I'm going to put a ruler on the back to fold the back face to make sure it's straight. Okay, so that's done. So let me just show you. Now to make the holes for his arms and legs. Alright, so now the chopsticks, we're gonna start doing his arms and legs. If you want, you can make his legs longer than the arms, or you can just do it down the middle, doesn't really matter. Again, it's up to you. I'm gonna just get a texture and then we're gonna cut this in half. Just mark it. So yep, so I'm gonna cut it in half and then I'll come back. Alright, so I'm just gonna break this in half. Oopsie. Okay, and then just gonna tie a rubber band around the end. This will stop it from falling out of the box. Get it as close to the end. And just tie it around. Like so. So I'm just gonna do all the legs. Alright, so these chopsticks are about half a centimeter wide. So that's how wide my holes are going to be. So I'm just gonna roughly get the middle. Just estimate, just make your, just mark your holes. What? Anyway, so I'm gonna mark it here, here. Okay, for the arms, if you put it up here, you will see it. So you can just hide it just down below the lip. So they will be hiding behind this part here, and you won't see the rubber band bit. Okay, so I'm gonna make my hole here. Okay, now I'm gonna cut about half centimeter diameter holes on sides and the bottom. Alright, so to make the hole, it's very simple. Yep. Just make one slit. Then just do like a plus, another slit the other way, so it looks like a plus. Poke it. And then slide in the chopsticks from the other end. Ta-da! Super posable limbs. And it's just below here, so you won't be able to see that. Cool. Now let's do the legs and the rest of his limbs. Might be a bit hard to do at the bottom because it's, yeah, doing it from the inside. You might need to sticky tape if you made a really big hole. Cool. Okay, so I will need to sticky tape the bottom because I made a mess of it. But apart from that, it's complete. Okay, now final part to draw his body and his face. So if you just Google Vulcan 300, the first hit you get is zatchbellfandom.com, and it'll tell you how to write his name. So as you can see the box, and that's the hiragana. So the first one is ba, second one is ru, third one is ga, and the last one is and then just 300. And then you would have to draw like a meter kind of thingy, and eyes and mouth. Okay, so this is a clip from YouTube. So if you can search it, then you'll be able to find it. So because it's copyright, I'm not going to play it. But that's the reference for his eyes and the mouth. So it's got really skinny eyes, and the mouth is quite wide. Okay, let's do it. We practice a bit first, so I just trace out the top part and then we're going to trace. Looks like his head is shorter in the anime, but I think wider would be better. But yeah, I'm happy with what I got, so let's do it. Wish me luck. Do, do, do. Oops. Okay, skinny eyes. Yes. Now to draw his meter. Curve. And now to get that hiragana part. And now to finish off by writing his name. So it looks like that, and that's the, okay. Okay, I actually, no. Yes. Vulcan 300. He's 5 minutes old, a super robot that can fire 300 turboflex missiles, body made of indestructible cardboardium, and fully articulated arms and legs. And that's it for my lame video on how to make Vulcan 300. Thanks for watching. So it's really fun to make this robot, and I can't wait to watch season 2. And yeah, so if you got more different puppies, you can make your own ones, but if you go original, get a Pretz. And thanks for watching, guys. Oh yeah, this is my favorite one of all.